Welcome to the AAAPOS Web Store Manager tutorial. Section 2.4, Import Options for WooCommerce Orders into AAAPOS RetailManager. Go to Settings. Select WooCommerce Setup, and then select Orders tab. Select Import Orders to import sales from WooCommerce into RetailManager. If you are already using WooCommerce, enter your last order number in WooCommerce to begin importing WooCommerce sales after that order number. For example, if you set this to 100, only orders after order number 100 will be imported. Import order when status is. This setting allows you to define the status condition under which orders should be imported. For instance, you might only want to import orders that are marked as processing in WooCommerce. Then Web Store Manager will automatically update that order from processing to completed. Select Custom Field to save the WooCommerce order number to the custom field on the sales screen in RetailManager. This will enable you option to look up WooCommerce order numbers in RetailManager. Use WooCommerce Custom Order. Enable this option to use WooCommerce Custom Order Numbers. Select this option to ignore the UTC offset for the docket date when saving the order date and time. Select which cache drawer you would like your order saved to RetailManager. You might want to use a separate cache drawer to keep WooCommerce sales separate from your shop sales for cache-up end-of-day procedures. You can choose how you want to save WooCommerce orders in RetailManager. Just select your option to save all orders as a sale, sales order or quote. Enable this option to update WooCommerce order status to completed when importing to a sale. If you want to allow sales even when product quantities are zero, enable the Allow Sales of Products when no quantity available option. You can substitute all WooCommerce payment types to go under one payment type in RetailManager. For example, WooCommerce. Please note, you only use this option if you save the WooCommerce order as a sale. Otherwise, it won't work. And do not select this option if you want to use the WooCommerce payment types for orders like PayPal, check, direct deposit, credit card payments, etc. Select Print Packing Slip to print a packing slip for each order. Then select which printer you would like to use and enter the number of copies that you want to print. Select this if you want to print each order item's image. Select Print Label to print a label for each order. Choose what size shipping label you want to print. Select which printer you would like to use. Enter the number of labels that you want to print and select Include Customer Mobile and Phone on Label to include the customer's mobile number on the label. Select a miscellaneous product to use when the product sold on your website does not exist in RetailManager. For example, the product may have been deleted in RetailManager, but not on your website. Please note, the miscellaneous product must be marked static quantity in RetailManager. Select a product to use as a shipping item in RetailManager. This is used for freight charged on website sales. Please note, the product must be marked as a freight item in RetailManager. Add the following tags to the customer record in RetailManager when importing orders. For example, Custom 1 equals WooCommerce. By doing this, you can produce sales reports in RetailManager for your WooCommerce customers. Select the staff member to assign to imported sales. Once you have configured all these settings to your preference, don't forget to hit the Save button to save your changes.